Adnan Menderes 1959 yılında bu uçaktan sağ olarak kurtuldu.
Premier Menderes of Turkey has narrowly escaped death. Cathay News filmed him in London at a Baghdad Pact meeting. He is 59, a firm member of the Western Alliance. The Viscount airliner that brought Adnan Menderes to Britain for the Cyprus conference crashed in a wood near Gatwick Airport. 15 people were killed. Mr. Menderes himself was only slightly injured. From the wreckage, he was taken to a nearby farm, thence to the London clinic. The aircraft was diverted from London Airport because of fog, but on its final approach came in too low and hit the treetops. Why that happened will be the subject of an inquiry. The Queen sent a message of sympathy for relatives of the bereaved.